Even the best project plans can fail if you ignore what's happening outside of your project. So think regulation changes, or maybe market shifts, or there might be some new technology that's emerged and suddenly your project scope is now outdated. So what do? As a project manager, it is your job to scan the external business environment and evaluate how those changes can impact your project. Starting with number one, first you have to survey the environment using the PISTOL analysis. And I hope I said that right, but the PISTOL analysis, that's an acronym, and it stands for political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors. And to do that, well, you're going to want to go ahead and check regulatory bulletins. You're going to want to get stakeholder feedback. You're going to want to watch some type of industry trends and do this on a quarterly basis at a minimum. Or if you're working in a fast-paced type project, like if you're working on an agile project, you're going to want to do it maybe like every sprint. And when a change hits, like a new regulation, right, or a tech disruption, you assess the impact. You use an impact assessment matrix or change impact analysis to evaluate how it affects your scope, schedule, and cost. Then you're going to want to go ahead and document that, whether that be in a change log or if it's kind of ongoing and it's been identified as a risk now, well, then you put it in the risk register. Next, you're going to provide recommendations to your stakeholders, right, with several different options. So you're not going to go with problems, okay? You're going to bring solutions that they can actually pick from. If everyone agrees that a change is needed, then you're going to go ahead and move forward with a change request through the integrated change control process. You're going to present it to the change control board. You're going to have your clear trade-offs. And if it gets approved, then lastly, you're going to adjust your scope. You're going to update the schedule baseline or maybe reforecast that cost. And remember, this requires continuous monitoring so that you can manage what's happening outside of your project proactively. All right, now I want to hear from you. How often do you scan for external business environments and evaluate how those changes can impact your project? Drop that in the comments below. And if this information was helpful, hit that like button, share, and follow for more project management tips. Thanks.